Back at it again. Once again, the weather has been a thorn in my side, really. Missed yesterday because of big waves again. It's just the ongoing battle here with the kayak and big waves. Hell, even land-based and big waves. It just makes it really unfishable here. Yeah, I haven't been able to get out yesterday. Even though that the fishing did look good yesterday, I haven't been able to hit it. So yeah, I don't know what to say. Maybe today I can get out, but I'm kind of quietly unconfident again. But anyway, let's see what happens. It doesn't look like I can go fishing anyway, in all honesty. Anyway, let's see. So, as you can see, pretty disappointing. Can't get out again today. It's just frustrating. It's like really frustrating. 2 days in a row of this, so I don't know what to do. I gotta come up with another plan, I think. That's all I can do. Yeah, I'm really, look at that, man. There's crosswave coming in, there's chop. Yeah, my kayak I'm using here, it's just not equipped to handle these sort of conditions. Super bummed though, really disappointed. I think there would have been a tula today. Big fish were landed yesterday, but I couldn't get out. Always the way. Anyway, hopefully there's some fishing coming up. Hopefully.